Hello, my name is Sarah Potvin, and I would like to pitch my fabulous business idea to all of you today. I think you will find my concept timely, cost-effective, environmentally friendly, competitive, and in demand in today's market. My company will only require a modest small business loan to get started and could immediately begin earning revenue while helping to make Maine's homes and businesses cleaner and safer for their occupants. The name of my company is Greenway Cleaning, and our tagline is cleaning commercial buildings and residences the green way. So what exactly is the Greenway, and why do I think that there are customers out there who would value my cleaning services? One of the reasons there are customers out there who would value my services is that there is increasing concern for the environment. Back in 2006, a poll found that Maine residents were deeply concerned to downright pessimistic about the state of the environment and overwhelmingly believed that humans were driving temperatures higher around the globe. The poll, conducted by Portland-based Market Decisions, also found that 61% of Mainers rated the natural environment at that time as being in much worse or somewhat worse shape than just 10 years before. Another reason that there are customers who would value these services is that there have been numerous studies done on the health risks associated with chemicals found in everyday cleaning products. A 2010 study by the European Academy of Allergy and Clinical Immunology found that cleaning sprays, chlorine bleach, and disinfectants may be contributing to the rise in asthma at home and work. Also, between 2003 and 2006, WWF, the World Wildlife Foundation, carried out the detox campaign to make European citizens and decision makers aware of the shocking lack of safety information for the large majority of chemicals used in daily life. The WWF are concerned about the effects that chemicals in everyday use, including cleaning products, had on both wildlife and humans. Up to 300 man-made chemicals have been found in humans, and human health effects that have been associated with exposure to man-made chemicals include a rise in testicular cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and asthma. Breast cancer has also increased by 50% since 1971, and there has also been a rise in birth defects. While I'm not claiming that green cleaning is the sole cause and solution for these numerous ailments, there is no debate that man-made chemicals are not healthy and that cleaning chemical-free can greatly reduce exposure to these products. There are also a growing number of certifications such as LEED, Green Globes, and Enterprise Green Communities, which encourage buildings and organizations to obtain stringent levels of efficiency to save the environment and cut long-term operating costs. There are also federal and state tax incentives for certain green initiatives and building practices. Finally, as people become more and more busy and our population ages, there are fewer people who are willing and or able to clean their own homes. After considering all of those harmful effects that cleaning products can have on the environment and humans, and after seeing Denmark's beautifully clean and energy-efficient buildings, I was inspired to start an eco-friendly, for-profit cleaning company. With that inspiration came Greenway Cleaning's vision statement and value proposition. To mitigate negative effects on our environment, improve the health of Maine citizens, and demonstrate a successful, sustainable business model by providing environmentally friendly and energy-efficient cleaning services to commercial and residential customers who value LEED certification and or chemical-free environments. So how would Greenway Cleaning accomplish this bold vision statement? We would mitigate negative effects on our environment by using natural, chemical-free, and low VOC cleaning products, driving energy-efficient vehicles to and from job sites, and by using energy-efficient, recycled, or recyclable cleaning tools and supplies. We would improve the health of Maine citizens by providing clean work and home spaces with improved air quality and fewer contaminants while reducing exposure to harmful man-made chemicals. And we would demonstrate a sustainable business model by being as carbon neutral, least wasteful, and as energy conscious as possible in our daily operations. At the same time, we would become profitable and an industry benchmark for our practices. So who are our target corporate customers? Well, any commercial building needs to hire a cleaning company to maintain its space and to meet minimum health code requirements. But our commercial customer would be going the extra mile. Our customer would be an organization that cares about the environment and corporate social responsibility as it relates to its stakeholders and the environment at large. Our dream customer would be a building or project that already had or was seeking LEED certification. This would be an informed customer that would value long-term savings over a significant initial investment. This customer would realize that a truly sustainable program reduces waste, improves efficiency, and productivity. For example, there are currently national and state tax savings and incentives for LEED certification. There are also related productivity gains. Green cleaning not only reduces environmental impacts, it can reduce indoor air pollution, resulting in reduced illness and absenteeism, better test scores, and improved morale. This map shows the number of LEED certified and registered buildings. Leading states include Maine, Colorado, Hawaii, and New Mexico. There is now 110 million square feet of LEED space nationally, up 7% on the last quarter. So what exactly is LEED? The term LEED is an acronym for Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, a certification program for sustainable buildings developed by the U.S. Green Building Council. There are different LEED programs: LEED for new construction, LEED for existing buildings in operation and maintenance, which has the acronym EBOM, and LEED for schools. The LEED EBOM program is the one that specifically contains prerequisites and certification points for facilities that implement green cleaning programs. Green cleaning and LEED go well beyond simply using certain products and equipment. Green cleaning and LEED EBOM are about reducing waste, increasing efficiencies, and making the indoor environment healthier for building occupants. The intersection of the LEED EBOM goals with the drive towards lower costs and increased productivity in business is providing fresh momentum to sustainability initiatives to many American businesses. By this graph, we can see that LEED registrations numbered just under 100 in Q1 of 2007. Just 5 years later, and despite the recession, registrations have risen to approximately 1,050, an increase of over 1,000%. This indicates a quickly growing market and a promising marketing segment for Greenway Cleaning's commercial services. The green chart on this slide details the 6 LEED EBOM points that relate specifically to green cleaning practices. The chart below it shows how many of the total points are needed to reach different levels of LEED EBOM certification. Greenway Cleaning could help obtain or maintain certification for 5 of those 6 points by assisting with developing and following a green cleaning policy, developing a high-performance cleaning program to fit the organization's needs, submitting to a custodial effectiveness audit conducted in accordance with the APPA staffing guidelines, purchasing exclusively green products, though this point is awarded if even 30% of the dollars spent are on qualified green cleaning products, making sure to utilize existing or provide sustainable cleaning equipment, and obtaining the proper entryway mats and providing appropriate focus on preventing dirt and contaminants from entering the building. The final item on the top list would have to be addressed by the building's pest vendor, as it is out of scope for Greenway Cleaning, though it represents a potential partnership or expansion opportunity for the future. Greenway Cleaning realizes that the LEED EBOM market is still developing and is highly competitive. Therefore, we will supplement our revenue by providing green cleaning services to residential customers in the greater Portland area. The Greenway Cleaning residential customer would want a clean home, would lack the time, ambition, and/or physical ability to clean themselves, would be health conscious, they would value a chemical-free environment, and would also be environmentally conscious. They would value sustainable practices and would want to contribute a smaller carbon footprint. Specific residential customer segments include families with younger children, young professionals, elderly or disabled adults, and pet owners. Greenway Cleaning has 4 specific goals related to its residential services. Goal number 1 is to provide a spotlessly clean and chemical-free home. Goal number 2 is to help household members, pets, and Greenway Cleaning employees live a healthier lifestyle while helping the environment. Goal number 3 is to offer value-added services that enable our customers to continue to spread and popularize green cleaning methods. Goal number 4 is to offer cost savings in the way of home energy saving suggestions that will help to offset some of the cost of hiring Greenway Cleaning. We will be a company who pays back both the customer and the environment. And on the right of the slide are a few of our potential product offerings and specialties. So we are here today because I am hoping to receive a small business loan to cover startup costs. But there is ample work that can and will be done to start this business before funding is received. First, I will file LLC paperwork as a for-profit business. Then I will purchase the domain name greenwaycleaning.com. Next, I will research product and price mixes at competitors. I will conduct a SWOT analysis, and I will compose draft promotional materials and develop business templates and graphics. Finally, I will make sure that my home office space is energy efficient and has the lowest possible carbon footprint for operation. Once funding is obtained, I will take my current energy efficient vehicle in for service to ensure that it is achieving optimal fuel efficiency. I will hire a designer for initial website construction. I will order business cards and other promotional materials, become bonded and insured to the industry standard, set up and maintain QuickBooks accounting files, consult with tax and legal professionals, and purchase a business cell phone and internet services. As for the marketing plan, I'll start by talking to Professor Boyer at USM to see if I can actually become a USM MBA practicum project. He has helped numerous startups in the past to work on their marketing plans or other business needs free of charge while providing MBA students with valuable business experience. I will also research inexpensive advertising outlets, set up a Facebook page, contact family, friends, and acquaintances to see if I can start spreading word of my business through word of mouth, and I will conduct a phone campaign to LEED certified buildings and offer free consultations. As for my operation plan, I will harness my professional knowledge and experience as an accountant and my personal knowledge and experience as a cleaner, but will seek advice as needed in other areas. I will have a home office, conducting operations out of my spare bedroom, which is currently unused, and will make sure that it's energy efficient for operations. Doing so will allow me to save significant rental and other costs on a monthly basis. I will keep my current full-time job and will work on Greenway Cleaning in my spare time until business takes off, though I will add additional personnel if and when needed. I will handle all financial aspects except for the tax return, and will make sure to consult a family member who has owned her own green cleaning business now for over 20 years in Hawaii. I've carefully considered Greenway Cleaning's financials and budget and have determined that the following items represent potential startup or monthly costs: marketing in the way of advertising, website design and maintenance, my vehicle maintenance and gas, cleaning supplies and tools, bonding and insurance, accounting software purchase and a computer purchase, business connectivity by way of phone and internet connections, my home office utilities, charges for licenses and professional consultations, and wages and taxes. I've determined my approximate startup cost to be $15,500 with approximately monthly costs of $2,000 plus. Of course, this will vary with revenue as will the taxes. I will know that I have achieved success when the following milestones have been met. I think that these milestones are absolutely attainable given the exponential growth in LEED registrations over the last 5 years, the growing awareness and concern about sustainable home and business practices, and an increasingly busy and aging population. I hope you now agree that my business concept is timely, cost-effective, environmentally friendly, competitive, and in demand in today's market. A small business loan of only $50,000 would not only cover initial startup costs, but it would also cover an additional 12 months of operational costs while I grew my business base. You could also take pride in knowing and promoting that you are supporting a Maine-based, minority and woman-owned and operated business that is efficient in every way. Thank you so much for taking time to consider my plan today, and I look forward to helping Maine become greener and cleaner the green way very soon. Thank you.